Hi and welcome to Xclusive Business Sales Market Update, and let's have a look together what was happening in 2 weeks since Easter break and how the inquiries from the buyers are tracking. What I have here with me is a graph of inquiries we received on a daily basis from the buyers for the businesses that we have currently on the market. And it's obvious that somewhere around the end of the February through whole March the inquiries have been dropping. And when we had the border closures and three announcements of restrictions, stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3, and after the stage 3 restrictions, the inquiries dropped to below 50% of the normal period. But interesting things has happened since the Easter break. There's a definite rise in inquiries. And while we had a little bit of a spike, when you look at the averages, we are probably 85 to 90% of where we were before the COVID-19 crisis. And we believe this level of inquiry is going to continue. There are two reasons why they actually increased in these 2 weeks after the Easter break. One reason is that we have adjusted to the crisis. Well, we didn't adjust, but somehow accepted the crisis, and we're finding our way through the crisis. So people have acted immediately. What was the pressing issue if you were in the business or in your job and in your family and schooling kids at home? And now we're having an increase because we're normalizing our lives. There was a big spike on Monday inquiries, and these are mainly people looking unsecure with their current job, but they already lost a job, looking to replace their income, which the rest of the week is spread across all our businesses, regardless of the size and type. What we think it's going to continue, what we think it's going to happen, we think that this level of inquiries is going to continue for next few weeks. It's going to be really interesting to see what happens with next 2 weeks, because now kids are going back to school. Normally during the breaks we have a reduced amount of inquiries during the school breaks because parents take a holiday, they go away with their kids, and the inquiries dropped. We had a jump, so I'm not sure if this jump is because people stayed at home and it's going to drop now for the next 2 weeks because now we have to attend to homeschooling and everything else, or it's just because we have adjusted to the current environment. It's going to be very, very interesting to see if it's going to go up, if it's going to stay the same, or we're going to have a slight drop in inquiries. I'll report to you in the next 2 weeks just to see how the market looks then. But overall opinion is we think that the market, from the buyer's point of view, is somewhat down by about 10 to 15%, and we expect this to continue like this for in weeks to come. So much from me in this quick report, and I'll report to you back again in 2 weeks' time to let you know how the market sentiment is going, if the buyers are still there or they're dropping off or there's more buyers on the market. Until that time, if you've got any specific questions about should you or should you not sell the business, put a business on the market, how much is your business worth in this current environment, please give us a call, please contact us. Our brokers and our analysts would be more than happy to help you out with any inquiries that you may gonna have regarding selling of your business. Until next time.